Hi! In front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now click on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Rebirth. Following that, select Theme section and scroll down. Now you can click on those little icons at the top right corners to see all available themes. When you finished, click on the best one for you. Click on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them. And tap on Apply. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, just access the same settings, but this time select this plus under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!